Hello! So we're here to talk about exponents. Exponents, not so hard to understand. Say that we have something like 2 to the third power. That's equal to 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, is equal to 8. This is the way that our exponents work. We have here the 2, and the 2 part here we many times will call the base. We also have the 3 up here, and we can call that the power. So this is 2 raised to the third power. That gives us 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Sometimes you'll see this called an index. Sometimes you guys will see that called an exponent. You can call it a power, you can call it an index, you can call it an exponent. They're all going to get you to the same place. 2 to the third power is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Pretty easy to work with. So let's look at a few exponents just to practice. So here I have 3 to the fourth power. How would we work that? How would we deal with 3 to the fourth power? Or this is 3 raised to the power of 4. Sometimes we'll say it like that. 3 to the fourth power, that's going to be 3 times 3 times 3. Need another one, have to have 4 times 3 is equal to, we know 3 times 3 is 9, we know times 3 is 27, we know times 3 is going to be 81. Here's 81 up here. 3 to the fourth power is equal to 81. Now many times I make mistakes in my multiplication. So something that I like to do is to check it on a calculator. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I have 3 to the fourth power. 3 to the fourth power is indeed 81. Let's look at another exponent. Let's look at 5 to the fourth power. Once again, we're going to have to write this out. 5 to the fourth power, we're going to have 5 times 5 times another 5 times another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. 5 times 5 we know is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. 125 times 5 is 625. Is going to give us a grand total of 625. Now once again, I often make mistakes, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to check it on my calculator. We're going to have 5 to the fourth power. 5 to the fourth power is indeed 625. So far so good. Let's look at a few of these and see how we do. Alright, so a couple questions up here. 7 to the second power. 7 to the second power. How do we work with that? Well, this is 7 times 7 is equal to 49. Over here, 2 to the sixth power, we're going to need 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them have to go to 6. times 2 times 2. Now sometimes it's easier to start breaking this down into something. We could say 2 times 2 is 4, and then 8, and then 16, and then 32, and 64. We could just jump across that way. But sometimes it's easier to group them. So I'm going to write down here is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 times 4 times 4. This here, right here, is going to give us 4. This right here is going to give us 4. This right here is also going to give us a 4. This is how we're breaking this down here. So looking at this, 4 times 4 we know is going to be 16. So I can write right down here, looking at this, 4 times 4 is going to be 16. 16 times 4. 16 times 4 is going to be equal to 64. Once again, sometimes I make mistakes. I like to check it on the calculator. 2 to the 6th power. 2 to the 6th power is indeed equal to 64.